I feel like a squirrel. I need to start finishing these things up, because how do I feel like a squirrel? I don't know. I have a lot of chips. Apparently, crazy chips are easy to make because there's like thousands and thousands and thousands of them. So I'm going to spend the whole day and go through chips. It's going to be a chip fest. I'm going to do them in little installments because I don't think anybody wants to sit here for an hour and a half and watch me eat weird chips. So let's get started with an easy one. I've had this one around for a long time. It came in a 6-pack and it was blown out in the mail. This actually came from England. Best before 5/7/14. So these have already passed. Awesome. I'm not familiar with Walker's chips. Apparently it's an English thing. These are simply roast chicken. These are simply roast chicken with free-range chicken from Devon. I can see how they get chicken in a bag like this, but they're little tiny lunch-size guys. Let's see what we got here. What's in it? Roast chicken flavored potato crisps. Ingredients: potato, sunflower oil. Roast. Wow, this actually has roast chicken in it. Huh. Let's give it a try. I didn't know chips have a shelf life, but since these actually have roast chicken in them, supposedly, smells kind of like a barbecue chip. It says these are homegrown. I don't know how you get. I don't know. Give these a try. That's weird. It doesn't taste like roast chicken. It's not a... It tastes chickeny, but the chicken flavor I would associate with when you roast a chicken. There's like the crispy skin that's on the top of the breast that you pull off and you put in there. The chicken skin is awesome. This is like on the side of the bird where the skin didn't get quite as crispy and it's still kind of chewy. It's like a not complete cooked chicken skin flavor. The roast chicken seasoning contains glucose, salt, dried yeast, dried garlic, dried onion, potassium chloride, parsley flavoring, color, paprika, Devon free-range dried chicken breast. That's weird. So if you put a chicken in a freeze dryer and grind it up, that's what the flavoring is. Made with 100% Great British potatoes, cooked with sunseed oil, naturally lower in saturates. No artificial colors or preservatives, no MSG. These are weird. They're not horrible. I don't know. Maybe it's an English thing, because, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not like the United States has, like, all the normal chip flavors. Maybe this tastes kind of weird because it doesn't have any wacky, like, unrecognizable flavors like they do in the U.S. Huh. And they're not really that salty, which is kind of nice. That means you can actually eat a bag without your head dehydrating. I don't like chips that are so salty by the time you eat a handful of them, your head dries up like an applehead doll. Now, it doesn't smell like chicken. Interesting. I think that I will actually keep these. There's like 5 more in the pack. I'm actually more impressed that these came here all the way from England, and it doesn't look like somebody just did an elbow drop on them. Because usually when they get stuff in the mail, they're like, "Oh, your package came from overseas. Here." Then it's all just destroyed. These actually made it through the mail. They're not all broken up. Huh. Not bad at all. I guess. Maybe they should do the whole roast dinner thing. Do like the roast chicken and then have like all the sides on a chip too. You can have like your own little dinner in a bag. I don't know, maybe I should check out Walker's. Maybe they even have that. Huh. Not bad. Roast chicken flavored. I'd say these are I wouldn't say that it was like an astounding win, but you know, they're pretty good. They're not too bad. You actually, when you first stick it in your mouth, if you're used to like Doritos or something like that, the taste is kind of like, oh, wait a minute. But then if you actually like read the label as you're eating it, it kind of helps. I guess it helps the flavor. The fact that they use like real chicken breast in the flavoring, huh? Not bad. Even though they're like, wow, these are expired by like 6 months, they're still pretty good. Hopefully I won't fall over later. But hey, I got these, excuse me, I got these through Amazon, but they actually ship from England. So anybody in the States that wants these, it's going to take you a while to get them. Yay, Amazon Prime. Yeah, careful when you get stuff overseas, because a lot of times people aren't that nice to it in shipment, and I was afraid these were going to be like chip dust when I got them, but they held up pretty good. Yay, Walkers. That's a shorty. Chip number 1 down. I've got like 500 more to go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll be back in a couple with a couple more chips. Got some really bizarre ones. Anyway, that is that. Bye.